Humanity has long sought peace through treaties, negotiations, and diplomacy. 2 world wars ended, countless conflicts ended, and recently, a few months back, we saw many wars between few nations that are really not that you read every day in the newspaper, but they were there, and they have ended. But all this, regardless what we saw or what we read, there is one conflict that is still there and is not ended, and that enduring struggle is surrounding Israel. Now, question is why? Because this is not merely a political or territorial dispute. Let's remember that. I know we are told that this is a territorial dispute, but it's not. It's a spiritual matter. The world may overlook, but God's scriptures does not. Israel is an apple of God's eye. That's what God says in Bible. Israel is an apple of His eye. So now, if God says this, and He promised that He will watch over Israel and He will defend Israel, so any attempt to curse Israel or divide Israel, it is a direct affront to God's heart. So peace efforts may be by man are thought with a good tension, which is good, and of course God blesses those who pursue for peace, who lead nations or individuals or leaders who come together to sort out the issues, which is good and a noble action. But according to the Bible, this all is a temporarily. True, lasting peace will only come when the Prince of Peace, Jesus Christ, returns to establish His kingdom. That's the only when there will be everlasting peace. God is the source of peace. Until humanity is reconciled with God, there won't be a permanent peace or solution to this part of the land. Now, we never fully grasp the meaning of peace. Peacemakers are those who understand that this divine order, that they don't just harmony among men, but they seek the reconciliation between man and God. That's why Jesus calls them children of God. So if you're looking through a spiritual eye, you will understand why there's no peace. I mean, there's a record that we have somewhere around 3,000 years surrounding that part of the world. And there were so many wars, so many nations that try to destroy Jews, and they are not even in existence any longer, but they are still there. So that tells you that God is protecting them. God is watching over them. There is a reason. If someone, a sound-minded, just think, hey, what is this? It's a small little land. Her neighbors have huge territories. They are larger in population. But why and how come this little tiny country still survives? And these people that we call Jews are still here. Very simple. There must be some divine authority, some divine power that is protecting, and that's exactly it is. So we appreciate all the efforts that the president is doing, and others who are involved in this peace treaty and trying to bring that peace to that area, which is very good because you save lives. War is never good, but this will still be temporarily, because the everlasting peace will only happen when what the Bible teaches. So let's pray for the peace of Jerusalem. Let's pray for the peace of the leadership, and let's pray for knowledge, for guidance, and for blessing for our leadership, for our president and other leaders, and other leaders too that are involved in establishing peace in that part of the world. So what we need to understand is always do and look through spiritual eyes. Then we will always understand the conflict. God bless you.